9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers coming to you from Boulder, where the wind's not quite kicking up yet. It has been calm throughout the morning. It's about 10:30 when I'm recording this video, and just a slight breeze. We've had a couple gusts, that's about it, but we are anticipating a major wind event this afternoon. The National Weather Service has issued a red flag warning, high fire danger for this area, for many areas across the Front Range and foothills. We're talking about sustained winds 30 to 50 miles per hour, sustained winds gusting 70 to 80 miles per hour. And we talk about 70 mile per hour wind gusts, you think about the Marshall Fire, December of 2021, and really it just takes a spark when you have those kind of winds as well as these dry conditions to create a fast, very destructive wildfire. So again, Xcel Energy, as a precaution, enacting public safety power shutoffs starting at 10 o'clock for Boulder County, Jefferson County, Clear Creek County, as well as Larimer and Weld counties, parts of those areas, about 50,000 customers being impacted. Right now, the wind's not too bad, but again, expected to pick up after about 11 o'clock this morning. We're told that CU Boulder has shut down for the day due to the high wind event, as well as the planned power shutoff. No question, folks here in Boulder preparing for what could be a wild afternoon.